Hey, you got a minute?
Got a minute.
Cool, because it's a 1 Minute Wednesday. And if you back up just a little bit, you'll see. Is it there? Is it there? Yes, now you can see it. Right up there, Montezuma's castle. And we're here to do one geocache. So,
Well,
there are two here, but we're going to concentrate on one because it's a 1 Minute Wednesday.
okay.
So, one cache.
1 minute.
Cue the title.
Start the clock.
Go. Montezuma Castle is situated about 27 meters or 90 feet up a sheer limestone cliff facing the adjacent Beaver Creek. It is one of the best preserved cliff dwellings in North America, in part because of its ideal placement in a natural alcove that protects it from exposure to the elements. Around 1425 AD, the site was abandoned and the people migrated elsewhere. This is the location for the virtual geocache.
Beyond the original castle, there's more dwellings in the rocks, and this particular one has 5 stories.
And we are required to answer 2 questions, which are on a plaque beyond us up on the hill. We got our answers to the Montezuma Castle virtual, and of course we did the Earth cache as well, right?
And we did a tour of the whole area. It's just fantastic.
Lots of interpretive signs that tell you what's going on and what you're seeing.
Keep watching. There's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you?